Good morning and welcome back, all my cool cat and kittens. We are back at Sebring International Raceway and we've got a gorgeous sunrise coming up here in the background, and we still have the moon out because that's how we roll. Anyways, we are here with Hooked on Driving again. If you remember my last video from last year sometime, and I said Hooked on Driving worked for me. Well, it's a good group to run with. It's right before the NASA event tomorrow, which will start points. So today is just testing and tuning for the new Aero, which you can see behind me. I've got the car ready. We've got the Zebulon splitter. We've got the ankle biters, which I didn't make a video of. I didn't have time. I had to jam through. We had to get ready. But you can see the side skirts here. Those side skirts come out. They're perfectly in line with this. So they are 78 inches, which is pretty much what my wheelbase is from side to side. I know that because when I put this in the trailer, I can tell because of the distance between all of this. Anyways, back to that, we've got the 78 inch, 13 inch cord Zebulon wing, all hiding up underneath the tent, which means I got some work to do. So let me get the tent up. I've got to swap the dash programming because I have it set to Celsius for my coolant temp, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me because we use Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna swap that out. I'm gonna get the tent up. I'll probably see you guys back at the driver's meeting. All right, we'll see you then.
Powered by Ocho.
I failed you. I didn't turn the GoPro on at the driver's meeting. But anyways, it is not much to be said. It's the driver's meeting. They're just telling us what to do and whatnot. I'm going to be headed out in I think about 20 minutes. We'll hit the track. I am going to test all that nice Aero out that you saw this morning, and I hope that you saw on the previous videos to this one. And anyways, sorry again. We'll see you on the track for reals this time. All right, that session was all right. I'm running TT2 right now to trim, or power level, not trim, but power levels.
And so I'm kind of getting used to it, because I only did it that one time in December, and it was a lot better conditions when I had sticker tires or newer tires, and these are the tires that I was on, so they're pretty old. You saw I went off in 7. I went and grabbed the data real quick. I was braking too late. I'll show it back right here, exactly what I'm talking about. So like you can see, yeah, I was just too late on the brakes, and I just didn't have enough. And you can tell I could have turned in. The distance between the corner worker where I should have turned in and where I had enough speed to turn in, which was exiting the track, was probably the same distance that I failed to brake early enough for the turn. So anyways, that's what happens. But turn 7 is I don't want to say the turn if you're going to do that, but that's the turn to do it if you're going to do it, because you've got that long overrun. And as you saw, you just go straight. Don't take a left. That'll take you to the hotel like that guy. But you'll just take that right turn back around. Look, you know, I was looking, see if anybody was coming. Nobody was there, and I just left. So that was it. That was my last lap anyways. I was running out of gas. I don't know if I have a lot more drag on the car now, and that's what's causing me to use more fuel, but I was down after like 3 laps. So that's not good. Yeah, so we'll see what happens this session. I had a lot of idle time and whatnot, so we'll just check it out here and see how the fuel system goes. So we will see you guys back on the track. Oh, I lied, not back at the track. Real quick, what happened also that I noticed, I got the track, I was 8 pounds over. I started these like at 26 and 25. I came off at like 34, 35. So I gained like 10 PSI of just pressure in the tires. So that also contributed to my braking. I don't like to run that much pressure. Some guys do, but I find that that's too much for me. And yeah, anyways, so yeah, I burnt my thumb. Probably saw in the video. All right, now I promise we'll see you back at the track. All right, that was it for session 3. We ran a little bit late, but I only ran a few laps anyways. I added 2 degrees. You didn't see it. I added 2 degrees to the wing. I'm taking it back out. I had zero front drive going into turn one and some of those turns. Just was, yeah. I'm gonna take it back out so we can put some more weight on the front. Other than that, good session, a little bit of traffic. That C8 was kind of in the way. But anyways, I'm gonna swap out for some stickers. Get those heat cycled for the morning, and yeah, that should call it a day. All right, we'll see you guys back on the track.
Powered by the old show.